Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to pan in MicroSurvey CAD. So here we are on the main viewport. The easiest way to move around the screen is to click your mouse wheel in and drag around the screen. Dead simple and very handy. If for some reason you don't have a mouse wheel, there are a couple other ways to pan. Go up to the toolbar here and click View. Over here on the left, click Pan. If you now click on the viewport, you can see this orange line following my cursor. Wherever I click next will pan the screen in the direction of that orange line. The other way to pan is to click this little arrow below Pan and instead click Real Time Pan. Now all I have to do is left click with my mouse and drag the screen around. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.